everybody, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name's Steph. Today's video is going to be me putting up my birthday present. It was my birthday a couple of days ago and my mum and dad bought me a present, and I don't really know how to put it up, so this could be fun. So if you'd like to know what I've got for my birthday or what I'm going to try to put up, then stay tuned, keep watching. Right. Right, now what I got was a box. Quite a big box, as you can see. Now, let's find out what we've got inside here, shall we? Right, now inside this box we have instructions. You might guess what it might be now, maybe. and we have some poles. And we have I think this is more poles. Yep. Oh my god. There's a lot of poles. There's more poles. Ooh, more poles. And more poles. Flip. I'm excited. Right, then we have one of these. Might guess what it is now, maybe. Yes. And one of these. And one of these. Okay. Right. Also, with this thing, I also have some big clampy things like that. God, they're not strong. Maybe over. Don't want to clip them in your fingers, do you? Right, now that's what I've got in this box, right? Now, the fun part is sticking it up. Yeah, got a clue what I'm doing? So I'm going to read the instructions and then I'll get back to you in a sec. Right, I've come to the conclusion. I think these bits here are the legs. Okay? Could be wrong, could be right. We won't know until we... Right, then they open that like this. Ooh. Hold on, quickly. Yes, look, like that. Like that. Right. And then, I don't know what the flip we do with this bit. Right. I think this is to do with the height. Oh yeah, look. Right. I'm going to stick it. Can you see it? If I stick it here, you can you? Oh, no, I've got to screw this bit, otherwise it's going to collapse. I think. Ta-da! One part. Right, now, it comes in a nice little bag, so you can, look, keep it all safe, right? Next leg, right, I take it this leg goes up the same as the other leg, but who knows, this is me we're talking about. I should be expert when I come to doing it properly, eh? Right, don't forget to tighten up the legs. I think that looks right. What have I done wrong? It doesn't look the same as the other one. Oh, it hasn't gone up. I think that's... No. What the flip? I don't know. I think that's right. Anyway, we'll find out in a minute. Right. How do you know if you've got your same height? You don't, do you? You just hope, I suppose. Right, I'm taking it, that's how it goes. Something like that. Right, now I'm going to put the white screen up because I don't really know how to use the green screen yet. Right, and Don't really want a black screen. I don't know how big this is. Oh, before we stick that up, we need to put the long thing across, don't we? Otherwise we'll have nothing to attach it to. Oh, God. Right, I've got 3 of these. Right. Right, I take it the plain one is the one that goes in the middle. Maybe. Right, it's got these like, you know, like the pushy things you get on your tents. You push the little knobby bit in. Well, like that. You push the little knobby bit in, I think. And then you stick it in the hole. That sounds really good. Until you find the little hole. Wherever it is. Bugger. Can't find the hole. Ah! I did it! And then the little thing, the little knobby thing pops out. Now, this end, I'm not sure about, because this end's got a big hole. Right? Which doesn't make any sense to me. Why is oh, this has a big hole as well. Oh crap. Ah! No. Oh, I get it. I think it all depends how long you want your pole. So obviously you can make it longer. I've got like an extra bit that I expect goes in the middle, and you can have a big long one if you're lucky. And then I think mine's long enough. I don't know if you can see, but I think it's right. You've got to take this little screwy bit off the top. I'm taking it. I'm sure my husband will tell me if I've done it wrong. He'll come in and say, no, that's wrong. You stuck it in the wrong hole or something like that. But I can't see how else you do it. Right, and then I'm going to screw the little bit like that. Right, and then I'm going to go, I'm going to have to spread them out a bit more because it's longer. Oh my God, it's really long. I'm a bit surprised how long the pole is. Look, that's without the extra bit in the middle. I don't think it goes up as tall as I was hoping, but I don't know. I'm still experimenting with me screws. Well, unscrew this little screw, and then stick it in the hole. I think I'm doing it right, and then you screw the thing back on again. Okay. Right, now obviously I'm quite short anyway, but I am, oh, I think it might go up higher. Oh my God, no, I think it's drooped. Yes, it does. Hey, result. So quite chuffed. Ta-da! And then you can limbo underneath it. Only if you want to. Right. And then we have this white tablecloth. Now, I'm not sure which way this goes up. It does look like a tablecloth, doesn't it? It smells. Right, how do you... Oh, I think all you do is attach it to the top. Let's have a go. Oh. Might need help with this bit. This bit's a bit awkward. I wonder what other pole's for, because... Oh God, I can't reach me things. Right, I'm taking it that... Oh my God, that one's drooped. Right. Yeah, we don't need a man. Us women can do these things without a man. Maybe. Maybe not. Right, excuse me a sec. Right. Yeah. Right. Now you've got your thingy, right? Yeah. Hello. You can't see me now, you're lucky. And then you clamp. It's too long. Oh, I don't know. Then you clamp your thing. This clamp. Oh my God, it's not stiff. Get the flipping. Right, I can't. That's it. Like the clamp. You clamp that bit round now. Now, the cloth's longer than the pole, but that's because I probably haven't added the extra bit. which, hello. Oh crap. Right, and then you lay your backdrop like that. I think. Can you see my? Oh, sorry. See my hands. Now, I don't. What do you reckon? Right, let's see if we can make it a little bit taller. Well, we can, because we want it. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Maybe not. Right, like that somehow. Hold on. I'm gonna lengthen the other side so they're roughly the same height, I think. I don't know if that's the same height or not. And then you push your cloth back against it, I think. This one doesn't seem as high as that one. I don't know. It must. Oh, is that as high? Does that look good? Like that. And then, oh, hold on. And then you've got your back cloth, and you can do a little dance in front of me. That is what I got for my birthday, and I'm so excited because now I feel like a proper YouTuber with a back cloth. So I would say thank you to Mummy and Daddy for my lovely birthday present. Like I said, all comes in a little bag. I have got an extra pole so I can make it longer. So I don't think I've done it completely right, as you can see. But it's sort of up, okay? And like I said, it comes with a green one and a black one. It's cool, isn't it? So, in the future videos, you might see me using my posh backdrops from now on and experimenting with them. So stay tuned for next video. Maybe I'll get to know how to use this one, maybe not. Anyway, I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna say goodbye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Get back in my club. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.